today at our storm lot in Connecticut, and we're issuing our storm fleet trucks out to contractors that are going to support the storm. We have contractors coming in from Southern California, Michigan, Chicago, Florida. Trucks are fully stocked and ready to go.
I'm South Florida, journeyman lineman, coming up here to help with the power restoration. It is cold. It was 72 degrees when I left the house, and it's I think about 12 degrees down.
We're just pre-tripping the trucks, getting them ready to go out. They're checking to make sure that the tools that were assigned to the trucks are there. The drivers are verifying that, and paperwork's correct and all that for them to get out of here in a little while.
I traveled from Florida to come up here and help restore power in Massachusetts and Connecticut, help get the customers' power back on as quickly as possible.